In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autosave in Smartsheet, Editing Preferences 2026. Autosave is a small setting that makes a big difference. It protects your work from accidental browser closes, timeouts, or brief internet hiccups by saving changes for you. Let's walk through exactly where to turn it on and what each option means so you can work with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. Sign in using your usual method, whether that's your email and password or your organization's single sign-on. Once you're in, you'll land on the home area. This is your central hub where you can access recent items, workspaces, and anything you've pinned. From the home screen, look to the left sidebar. Find your profile icon. This may appear as your photo or your initials. Click it to open your account options. In the menu that appears, choose Personal Settings. This takes you to your account's preference area, where you control how Smartsheet behaves for you. Inside Personal Settings, click the Settings section to view editing and saving preferences. Now, look for the Autosave area. You're going to see options that let you fine-tune how and when Smartsheet saves your changes. The first option enables autosave after 1 minute of inactivity. Inactivity simply means you haven't typed, clicked, or made an edit for a minute. This is helpful if you tend to pause to think or step away briefly. Your updates won't sit unsaved in the background. The second option automatically saves your work when you leave a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. Leaving includes navigating to another page, closing the tab, or switching to a different asset in Smartsheet. Turning this on is great insurance against losing a quick set of edits when you move on to your next task. Choose the settings that fit your workflow. If you edit frequently throughout the day, enabling both options provides the most coverage. If you prefer manual control but still want a safety net, you might enable saving on exit only. When you're satisfied, make sure to click Save at the bottom. Your preferences won't apply until you do. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you're a part of a managed organization, some options may follow company policy and appear pre-selected. Also, autosave relies on your connection, so a stable internet link helps ensure changes sync quickly. That's it. Your autosave preferences are now set, and your work is better protected moving forward.